Hi everyone, so this is going to be a comprehensive tutorial on this equation. So you can watch my fourth video in just 20 minutes. Now let me start with this one here, right? Now we have y is power equal to what? B. It means for y going to be what? Just multiply this one by what? Exponent of 2 to what? To both sides. It means what? Y is equal to what? B square. So this is the formula we are going to be applying throughout. Now similarly, we also have y cube here. It means we are going to have for y raised to power 3 multiply this one by the exponent of 3 is also equal to what? B raised to power 3. This one cancel. We have what? Y equal to what? B raised to power 3. Okay, take note. Now we are going to use the same procedure to solve this one. Look at it. It means here now we are going to have what? Y raised to power what? Half times what? Exponent of 2, that is squaring both sides. 5 square. Y is equal to what? This one cancel here. Y is equal to what? 5 square, which is equal to what? 25. Okay. Now the second question here is what? The same thing here. We have y cube. Just multiply both sides by the cube of 3 is equal to what? 2 raised by what? 3. Whatever you do to right must also do to what? Left. Okay. It means y, this one cancel. Y is equal to what? 2 raised by 3, which is what? 8. We are done. Another rule of law is what? If a exponent x equal to what? A exponent y. You can see that we have the same base, which is what? A. That means the exponent s is going to be equal to what? This exponent y, which is equal to what? S equal to y. Mathematics step by step. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share. Look at this value here. We have 5s here, right? This one will be what? 5 raised power n equal to 25 simply means for 5 raised power 2, which is what? 5 times 5. Okay, we have 5 raised power 2. According to the principle here, look at it up there. If we have the same base like this, you can see that the same base, it means for the power must be equal to what? The power a. S is equal to what? 2. You are done. Now look at this one here. Before you can do this one, we need to what? Take to what? To have the same base. Index of 4 is what? 2 raised power 2. Just write it. 2 raised power 2 times 2x equal to what? Index of 8 is what? 2 raised power 3. We have 2 raised power 3 here into what? 2x plus 5. Right? Here now. So far this one they have the same what? They have the same base. This one just cancel. We have what? 2 times 2 here, which is what? 4x equal to, we can open the bracket straight away without wasting our time. 3 times 2x is what? 6x plus what? 3 times 5 is what? 15. Collect the right time. We have 4x minus what? 6x equal to 15 minus 2x equal to what? 15. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of which is what? Minus 2. It means what? Minus 2 divided by 2 equal to what? 15 divided by 2. X equal to what? Minus 15 over 2. So we are done with this one. Now look at the next example. Now the index of 8 is what? 2 raised power what? 3. Look at it. Now let me just write this one straight. 2 raised power 3. Now look at this one. We can take this one to the fractional form, right? I can say 125 divided by what? 1000. Right? Now this one is for 2 raised power 3y. 2 raised power 3 8y. Put your y here. 125 over 1000. Now let me now cancel this one. How many 25 can we see? 125. I'm going to see what's 5. Okay, 5 times 25 is what? 125. Right? Now how many 25 can we see in 100? We're going to see what? 4. Put your 0 here. It means we have 4 over 40. Right? How many 5 can we see in 40? Is what? Is 8. Right? I can see 2 raised power 3y equal to what? The index form of 8 is what? 1 over is what? 2 raised power 3. Look at it. 8 is what? You can say 2 over what? 2 raised power 3. That is, we can take the inverse of this one. When we have a raised power minus 1, it means for 1 over a. 2 raised power 2, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 raised power 3 is what? 2 raised power minus 3. Right? That is, we are going to have what? 2 raised power minus 3. It means your 2 raised power 3y is equal to what? 2 raised power minus 3, right? Till the base are equal. Okay, don't forget that we have the principle, which is what this one here. This is the principle we are applying. Okay, now the answer will now be what? We can have 3y equal to minus 3. Now dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, dividing both sides by what? 3 minus 3 divided by 3. That is my y is equal to what? Minus 1. Right?